morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. We're getting closer and closer to Halloween, so I have some Halloween treats to share with you today. And I'm going to refresh my page here. Hope you guys are having a nice day today, a good start to this week, and that you had a nice weekend. Just get all squared away here. Fresh. All right. How is everyone doing this morning? I hope you're doing well. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna start off with the raffle prize, and I always leave it somewhere. Here it is. It's the chicken wire, and I think I left the winner over there again. So excuse me while I go get the winner. Sorry that I didn't bring it over earlier. I was having technical difficulties. And oh, the winner of the chicken wire. Let's see. Good morning, Denise. Sorry about that. Okay, the winner of the chicken wire is Irene. Congratulations, Irene. I will ship this out to you. And the next prize is some googly eyes, some Halloween googly eyes. Super fun, super cute to use. I used them last week on our coffin project, so I hope you like them. They're different colors, orange, green, purple, and then just plain white. So they're really, really fun to play with. So today we're gonna do Halloween treats, and I have some more Halloween things to show you, and then I have a little bit of Christmas to show you, because then I'm gonna switch gears to Christmas. So let me switch the view here. So now we are here. Hey, Irene. Good morning. Glad you heard that you won. So I'm going to show you guys some fun little tags for Halloween treats using the Boo to You stamp set. Isn't that super cute? And then you can put the googly eyes on each of these guys. Ah, that rhymed. Okay, but we're going to start with these. These are the little mini curvy keepsake boxes. And I'm going to show you the die and the cutout. So here's the die. And it has all these shaped tags to go with it. And it basically fits a 5.5 by 5.5 sheet of paper. So just a half sheet of paper gets you one box. And then this is the stamp set. Tiny keepsakes that goes with the curvy keepsake box. And when you purchase them together, you get 10% off. And if you purchase them from me by this Friday, I'm gonna send you all of these Halloween treats, including these guys too, with the candy. That's the most important part. Here's the Boo to You stamp set as well. It's got this monster and a werewolf and the zombie, and it's super, super cute, and it goes really, really well with the googly eyes. All right, so to start, I'm going to stamp this checker shape on the pumpkin pie in black. I'm gonna get it really nice and inked up here. I re-inked this ink pad, so it should be nice and juicy. And I'm just gonna try to, oh, I already got it, and I already got myself. All right. Right on the edge there. And then I'll ink it up again. Get it as close to the edge as possible. You will catch a little bit of the corners down here, but you can hardly tell. I don't think you can even tell when I stamp over it. So it's not a big deal. All right, so I'm gonna do all 4 sides. Okay, and then I'm gonna get a baby wipe so I don't get black ink everywhere. And then I'm going to use a bone folder to curl these 2 shorter sides. So I'm gonna curl it like that. And then I'm going to fold back the top handle and you can put what fits inside. Let me show you what fits inside. Here's the other one that I made previously to show you. Look, a little, how do you pronounce this? Ferrero Rocher? Is that right? Ferrero Rocher? You can place one of those little guys in there and then just kind of press down, and then it makes it easier to put this piece on right here and then put this piece on right here. And then you have your little treat box. That's it. Super simple, super cute, and I didn't use any adhesive. So it's really easy. So now we're gonna do the tag. So the tag I've already stamped and cut out using the tags dies, and they are end stamp set. You can see, so this is the Halloween one, and it has these 3 tags. So you stamp it and then you cut it out, and so you'll get these 3. And then with the dies, it also has a couple of extra dies that you can put on your tags. So this is the tag die, and then you can put snowflakes or hearts or pumpkins. So that's where I got these little pumpkins from. And then I'm gonna do a little candy corn treatment to this guy right here with a sponge roller and some ink. So I'm gonna use Daffodil Delight first. And I'm just gonna roll it on up till I get about the saturation that I want. A little bit more. And then I'm going to use the pumpkin pie ink on the bottom so that it'll look like candy corn. There we go. And I love that it's kind of a soft ombre look. So there we go. There's our candy corn tag. Isn't that cute? That's my favorite one. And then the sparkle ribbon that I put somewhere, is probably right in front of me, is the perfect ribbon to use to attach this. And then I've got my other one right here that I can put together. I'm not going to put it all the way together because I want to put a treat in it, but I used this tag and the glitter ribbon. This is the glitter ribbon that's in the annual catalog. Perfect for Halloween. So glad that they kept it. And then of course here's the one that I just showed you with the candy corn tag. And then this is also stamped in the checkerboard, and it has the tag with the pumpkins on it. And they each have a little treat inside, and I'm going to be giving these out to friends and neighbors and my Zumba ladies. So I have lots of plans for all of these treats. So I'm going to use these tags later to make even more treats. So I wanted to show you a couple Halloween things. Here's another tag using the Monster Bash and Halloween Bash and Spooktacular Bash, Everything Bash stamp set, suite, and dies, and the scroll embossing folder, and just a super cute tag that you could punch a hole in and put on more treats. But now I'm going to show you these tags right here. So I've already got some of them colored and made up. So I've got the monster colored, I've got the werewolf colored, and I've got the zombie colored, but I'm also going to color again another zombie. So I started with Granny Apple Green. I think this is a really great color for a zombie. And I'm just gonna go around kind of the edges, get his ear, some up here, and then maybe the smile, and his hand, foot, other foot. Then I'll come back in with the light garden green, whoop, and I will blend it all in nicely. So it looks like he has spooky hands. And spooky, I'm going to do the other side for the face. Spooky face. Just blend that right in. Just go over top where you colored the dark. And then come back down here. Color that. And then we'll color the foot. I think these guys are super cute. I really like them a lot. And for the hair, I'm gonna do some basic black, dark. He's gonna have some dark hair. So I'm just gonna color that straight. I'm not gonna do any blending on this because otherwise I think it'll be too dark. Now I'm gonna use the smoky slate dark to just kind of outline his shirt a little bit because it's a white shirt, but it's a little bit spooky shirt. He's got some grayness going on his shirt. I'm just gonna kind of do some of the edges a little bit. And then for his pants, I'm gonna do Rich Razzleberry. Rich Razzleberry zombie pants. How about that? And then we'll go here. And then we'll finish coloring and blending in his pants. And there's our zombie. So I attached him with dimensionals onto a 2 1/4 circle cut out of So Saffron. And then I stamped the Boo to You from the stamp set and cut it out with the 1-inch circle punch. And then I put some dimensionals on it, but first I'm going to take some of this paper, designer series paper, and I'm going to insert it into a tag punch. Punch that out. And there we have our tag, super easy. And now I'm just going to remove the dimensionals, backing, and place it on. And there's our tag. So now I have the candy ready to go, and I can just tie on the tags. Let's make a nice knot. There, somebody tried to call me, and I don't know why, because I have everything on Do Not Disturb. I don't know why it came through. So I don't know why, but my other camera isn't working now. But basically what I did is I adhered the tag, the little zombie guy, to a 2 1/4 circle, and I stamped Boo to You and punched it out with the 1-inch circle punch. And then everything is on dimensionals. And for the tag top, I use this tag topper punch right here. And then we have our other ones. We have our werewolf that I'm going to tie. And I colored the werewolf with soft suede and with the new Pretty Peacock colors. I didn't think a werewolf would be in a Pretty Peacock suit, but it works, right? So here's the werewolf. Super duper cute. And I always buy candy that I don't like, because then I won't eat it. Otherwise, I will just eat all the candy. Do you guys have that problem? So I'm not a fan of candy corn. So that's why I bought it, so that I can give it away and package it up and everything is fine. All right. Here's the last one. Little werewolf. I mean, monster. This is the monster. And he's green. I used shaded spruce. And for his horns, I used Highland heather. So super cute little monster guy. A couple other things I wanted to show you. This is another little mini keepsake, curvy keepsake box. And this is using the designer series paper. So instead of stamping, you can just use the pretty paper and then put a little treat inside. And then this is the little sweet treats tag is from the dies as well, and the stamp set. So it all coordinates perfectly together, and it's great not only for Halloween, but also for Christmas and Valentine's, birthdays, any occasion that you want to make little cute boxes for. I think they would even make a great wedding present, like the little presents that they hand out. I forgot what those are called, like the little favors. That's it, the little wedding favors. Here's another really cute Halloween item that I saw that another demonstrator made. And this is a bag in a box. So you create a box bottom and then you wrap designer series paper, any paper around it. And then you create the two handles. And then I love this little black sunflower using the medium daisy punch and the scallop punch, and then cutting to make the little petals. So this is definitely a favorite. I really like this. I gave this as a gift to all my downline, so I hope they like it too. All right, for next week, I'm going to show you some Christmas cards. So I'm going to be showing you this Christmas card that opens up and there's little bears. And I'm going to be showing you a star Christmas card using the beautiful glass mercury acetate and the So Many Stars stamp set. And cup of cheer card, super cute. Love hot chocolate, reminds me of winter and the holidays and all kinds of fun things. So I'll be showing you those cards next week. And then I've got some fun cards coming up, some snow globe cards and some more Christmas cards using the Most Wonderful Time Christmas product medley. And it is a whole suite of products that coordinate together. And I'm going to do fun folds for those. So they're going to be super fun, and you're definitely going to want to tune in and tell all your friends to tune in too, to see all these fun projects. So thank you so much for joining me today. Sorry for the technical glitch. And I hope you guys have a great week this week, and let me know if I can be of any help. And as always, please go to my website, eStampin.com, to place any orders. The hostess code is here. Take a snapshot of this. Ta-da! And if you order the bundle, the tags bundle, or the mini Kirby keepsake bundle, I will send you all of the projects that I made today. So definitely go check it out, and I hope you guys have a great week again, and I'll see you next week. Bye.